Let's dive in and look at the expectations and outcomes of our good works. Now, let's see what is expected from us by God. The first word is faithfulness in our good works. How can you go about being faithful in your good works? I'm going to list a few points. We are to be zealous, showing great energy and enthusiasm in the pursuit of our good works. You can see Titus chapter 2 verse 14. We need to be established as in strengthened in every good word and work by God the Father and the Son. You can see 2 Thessalonians chapter 2 verse 17. We need to encourage one another to stir up love and good works. You can see Hebrews chapter 10 verse 24. We are to maintain good works. You can see Titus chapter 3 verse 18. Finally, when it comes to being faithful in your good works, look what it states in Titus chapter 3 verse 14. The believers in Crete have the opportunity to do good to Zenas and Apollos. So these are just some of the points when it comes to the first expectation from us, that is faithfulness in our good works. The second expectation is fruitfulness in our good works. We can see Colossians chapter 1 verse 10. Now I'm going to list all the points when it comes to being fruitful in your good works. The first point, we are to be rich in good works. You can see 1 Timothy chapter 6 verse 18. We are to abound to every good work. You can see 2 Corinthians chapter 9 verse 8. We are to be fruitful or bear much fruit so that God the Father is glorified. You can see John 15 verse 18. These are the two expectations that are required from us when it comes to our good works: faithfulness and fruitfulness. Now, when these expectations have been met, there are outcomes at the end. We're going to look at the first outcome here for your good works after you have met the expectation is fulfillment. I'm going to list a few points regarding the end result of your good work in being fulfilled. The first point of fulfillment from your good works is you will receive positive feedback. You will hear from God saying to you, "Well done, my faithful and fruitful servant of my will," for the job done, for fulfilling your calling, fulfilling your life purpose, fulfilling the mission and mandate that God has for you on this earth, for His glory and the goodness of humanity. The fulfillment of your good works will eventually bring positive feedback from God. Finally, what you're going to receive in terms of the outcome of fulfillment, I like this. You will receive rewards and rest for your good works. Wow, that is amazing. God is going to reward you, and God is going to allow you to rest in His presence of all your labor. You can see 1 Corinthians chapter 3 verse 8 and Revelation 14 verse 13. When we become fulfilled in life because of our good works, guess what happens? We become an example to show a pattern of good works that others can follow. And you can see a reference of that in Titus chapter 2 verse 6 to 7.